Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you very stylish latex leather outfits for women and girls. All designs are different from each other. So please support me by sharing my video. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. You can see different types of designs, different types of collection, latest outfits, and latest ideas. So please take good care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching. And dear friends, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. Keep watching, keep visiting for more videos.